Technology is making life more automated, connected and efficient. It's revolutionizing food and beverage production. But sometimes it takes more than cutting-edge tools to succeed in the digital world. It takes a certain human touch too. Meet Bill, the filling machine operator. If one of Bill's machines stops, he'll see an alert on the machine's HMI. Bill can then quickly get help to investigate the issue with his in-house technician, Mark. If Mark can't fix the issue on his own, he can contact an SIG Remote Service expert using his SIG smart glasses. They provide a direct live feed to an SIG expert like James from anywhere in the world. This remote service creates a secure data connection and enables James to see exactly what Mark sees, helping James send detailed instructions, which in this case are how to fix a cell track problem. The SIG expert can easily share technical drawings with Mark and guide him through the right steps. So together, the customer and SIG expert can effectively find a solution and quickly restart production, ensuring less machine downtime. At the same time, James can identify the correct replacement part and order it for fast delivery and repair. Remote services like these from SIG mean less waiting time for support, an improved first-time fix rate, more data insights and analysis, and ultimately more filling line uptime. So Bill knows his machines are always in safe hands, anytime and anywhere. SIG, excellence engineered, solutions delivered.